'Tis the season to be jolly. Oh wait, that's my name. Hi, my name is Jolly, and yes, that is my real name. And I'm a watercolor artist based in the Philippines. And I'm also known as Jolly Boa on Instagram. I love painting flowers, so that's where I post photos of my paintings and also my process videos just like this. And I share anything about watercolor in my Instagram account. Christmas season is here, and I'm pretty sure that you're looking for gifts to give to your friends or to your family, and you have come to the right place because today we are going to learn how to paint some simple and easy watercolor Christmas projects. To start the class, we will talk about the materials that you need to get started. And then we will learn 9 botanical elements, which are the following. For our mini project, we are going to paint a mini wreath and a border wreath. We will also be painting some decorative Christmas balls, and this is actually one of my favorite projects in this class. After learning all the skills in this class, you can paint your own wreath like this one, or a winter wreath that you can put in a frame to give as a gift. Aside from frame paintings, I will also be teaching you guys how to fold a card properly so that it looks like it's professionally made. And I'm also going to share with you this really fun holiday card. And this is a greeting card with some cutout watercolor paintings that you guys can also make. This class can be both enjoyed by beginners and also seasoned artists, as I will guide you step by step on how to paint these Christmas elements. The goal of this class is for you to learn the basic watercolor Christmas elements and eventually create your own unique wreath or holiday card. So let's start painting.